Before we left our house today, I said that wherever we go, we'll turn into a massive police state and there'll be noise everywhere. Listen. The reason I know is because rogue vehicles are being employed to constantly go round any area that we head to. So I'm in Regent's Park now. Listen. We're going to go to King's Cross in a couple of hours and you're going to see the same thing. You've already seen the police parking up as soon as we leave our estate. So you've already had Secret Service, you've had a police van with 3 vehicles, you've heard sirens like crazy. Listen. They're employed to just go round and round.